Hi guys, welcome to this quick video about this Tansung knife sharpener. This is a really nice tool. It's only about $12 currently on Amazon, and it helps to make your knives really sharp. Of course, you can use a whetstone like this, but this is more cumbersome, it's more dangerous. Something like this is definitely easier and more safe, and it has two steps. You can use the coarse grinding method, which is a steel blade inside, or you can use the fine grinding where we have a ceramic or even aviation ceramics inside. And it's super easy. Just make sure that you are just using this on the right blades. Never use it on ceramic knives or on scissors. And on serrated knives like this one, they have this really specific cut which can't be done by yourself. But it works for every standard knife. So for example, with this knife, it is a good knife, but you can definitely feel that it's not sharp anymore, but it has no real dents or something like that. So we don't use the coarse sharpening. If you would need that, you can vertically insert it and pull it back about 5 times with the fine sharpening tool. We put it also in vertically and pull it back only about 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, and it's already done, and you can feel it's already much better. If it's not enough, you can repeat this, of course, no problem with that. It looks like it's pretty stable, it is safe, it has this anti-slip rubber, so you can really hold it with one hand and it is absolutely safe. I even use this every now and then for my original Swiss Army knife here, and it works pretty well. Just do it a couple of times and you can feel that it's much better already. So for me it has been working really good, and I hope it will work for you too. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with this video. So I will put down the link to the Amazon listing into the description down below. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.